How to get Disney Plus on Virgin Media. So, you must have a Virgin TV 360 or Virgin Stream box. This is because older TiVo or V6 boxes do not support Disney Plus. To get Disney Plus, you will need to log in to My Virgin Media, and then you need to go to the entertainment services or My Stream plan. After that, select Disney Plus Premium and click Activate. Then all you need to do is follow the prompts to create or link your Disney Plus account. Talking about the pricing, €10.99 per month is for the premium tier only. This includes ad-free 4K and 4 devices. The cheap tiers with ads are not supported on Virgin boxes. If you already have Disney Plus, then you can use the same email, which Virgin will pause your existing plan and upgrade it to premium. But you will be billed through your Virgin Media account. If Disney Plus won't load on Virgin broadband, try mobile data. Contact Disney Plus support to refresh your IP if needed. That's all for today. Thank you.